I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in the whole new world. Now I'm in the whole new world with you, unbelievable sight. Indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world, don't you dare close your eyes. 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting stars. I've come so far, I can't go back to where I used to be. A whole new world with new horizons to pursue. I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world with you. A whole new world, that's where we'll be. A thrilling chase for you and me. Hi, thank you so much for being part of this video. If you find this video is really helpful, you got to support us by clicking on this like button and share it to your friend. And of course, you need to subscribe in this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on this ring button to get notified for every video we upload on YouTube. And if you have any question or you want to just say thanks to us, just click on this comment section and you can see whatever you want and click in comment. I think that's all of it. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next tutorial. Bye bye.